More than 40 undocumented migrants were found dead on Monday inside an 18-wheel tractor-trailer in San Antonio, a major city in south-central U.S. state of Texas, local media reported. Ron Nirenberg, mayor of San Antonio, tweeted Monday night, "More than 40 hopeful lives were lost. I urge you to think compassionately, pray for the deceased, the ailing, and their families at this moment." Migrants seeking asylum should always be treated as a humanitarian crisis, but this evening we're facing a horrific human tragedy, the mayor lamented. Texas Republican Governor Greg Abbott slammed U.S. President Joe Biden for the tragedy. He tweeted, "These deaths are on Biden. They are a result of his deadly open border policies." The bodies were discovered at an intersection near Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio, Texas, Tribune reported, citing local officials on condition of anonymity. More than 15 others have been rescued from the vehicle and transported to area hospitals, at least 5 of them in critical condition, said local media reports.